Hello guys, Cam Abraham here. So today, we're going to be doing some park opening. So me and TJ are going to be doing park opening. Yeah, right. So we're going to see who gets the best first so far. So go on the thing, go on the chicken wing it.
I'm going first.
Right. This is my second fiddle, so it'll take a wee while here.
So it's just...
So then we'll tell you up there's the background that's Celtic. I do like Celtic, right? I'm just staying at his.
It's taking ages.
I know it is that.
Alright, there we go.
So first pack.
First pack is going to be rubbish.
It's just gold, man. Right, you got heavy Malal, whatever. Mangala. Goldie, get on. Dirt, pop to later. Right, that was the best pack. We will get good packs, but because we always do.
I got Figuri. I got Kowaturi.
Aye,
Plays for
already
Celtic.
have him.
The Celtic defender.
He's like the worst in the game, man.
No, he's not.
No, he is. He's way down at the back. Like, bomb. Oh! Right. Oh, he's got a baby.
Hurry up.
This guy's got a baby. Right, I've got the best player so far.
I'm going to save it just because I can. Right, come on, let's go.
Right. So any of you guys can get this if you have a phone. It's just what's it called again?
Like pack opening and stuff.
Yeah,
like
just type up pack opening and you find this game right. You can make your own team and all that. It's actually fun. Non-veg is the best, isn't it? So you gotta admit.
I bet you I'm gonna get. Oh, what am I doing? I'm gonna get something bad here. Just not.
I forgot when I've got I'll show you my team when doing the fiddle bit.
How long are we doing this?
But until 11 minutes. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, pop this up there, hiding it.
Wait, I think it's better than here.
Nah, it's not better. Yeah, we just might move the face cam thing. Yeah, it's better. You get so bad. What you doing? TJ, you serious?
I made it a wee bit smaller.
Yeah, it's better. Right. I've got the best pack so far. And I really don't know. Oh, you got Messi. I got Messi. Here. I've the best pack so far, but I've already got Messi, so it's the point.
I'm Griezmann. I didn't even get Griezmann.
Right there we go. Oh! Ah!
Don't take it. Let me hold it.
Right, I've won. Right. No, TJ, just shut up. Just sit down, TJ. Even though you're. Oh my gosh. Right, guys.
Conor Plananka.
I'm the best.
I got it right. I got his name right. I just guessed it randomly.
Yeah, right. I need to save that.
Conor Plananka.
Wait, let's pull that. Fuck, right. Man, we've done this. And the awesome Carol. Let's make a selfie.
Hurry up. Click it so you can't see. But you can't see this. Right, it's rubbish.
Oh my god. Nice.
Right, none of these are going to see it. Only these guys are going to see.
1, 2, 3, pop slate.
Right, so no.
No, that's it.
We got. Oh,
Oh, save this. Don't save this. I call this The baby touch.
Sorry about all the noise in the house.
Ah, you know.
Hurry up, click it.
Because we're just the best.
Oh, you're so bad at this, man.
Eat the heat! Shop!
I got Marco Rice.
Oh, Marco Rice, he's so bad. Can't know, he's actually good. Yeah, he's freaking fucking.
Look at the face camera.
Right, we got a hair stick now.
I got 3 new people and I'm bro. Come on.
Wait, I got 2 tons. TJ, who's it?
Yeah, you got
Jared. Is he the best defender in the world?
No, Jerome Botan.
Song Botan. Hate the heat, man. Right, Chan. This is all your guys. Don't worry, I don't like to see. I know I've got one more.
Oh.
Remember, man. Here, bottle.
Give me my bow.
Bottle. Yeah. There we go. I'm so bad. That's what I'm bad. I've got what? How much legends do I have? I have 5 or something. Because, right. I'm the beast.
Wait, I get to.
No, you got. There's over 2 for me again. You stupid mellow bitch ass. I want to say that bit because it is, you know, you don't want to know. And can you just subscribe for me? Just team on, man. Team on. Sorry I have to do this all the time. Being 6 minutes of videos will be so boring, but it's a video. New, I got new. Any new? Yeah.
Guys, please subscribe.
Yeah. Always subscribe so we
I always subscribe. Oh no, I don't even know what I'm talking about.
But Thanos in H22 is just like best, aren't they?
Sorry, I had to face off.
Aren't they the best? Yeah, like Cat and all that, they're my best YouTubers. But Thanos he's the best YouTuber, man. Can on PewDiePie. PewDiePie. I'm down the bottom, I'm really right. I'm last.
Oh, he's not.
I know. There we go. There we go.
He's one of the best defenders nowadays.
Yeah.
And
we can't do any videos after this.
what?
Because my charge got to save it got tomorrow after my first video. Go to show your face
I've got
for
2.
no, you got to show your face for the Bowie boys. I only got 1 there.
No, I need 2.
But I got 1.
No, you want to get 2?
I got 1.
Oh, he's not.
So I'm getting 3.
No, you're getting 2.
So I only got 1.
What? Because you forgot that one, so it just doesn't matter. Serious?
You serious, bro? Ooh, this guy's got a pretty lot of hair.
Maybe we should make a vlog walking down to Subway tomorrow.
Taka. Said that. Arsenal. Oh, for those.
Maybe park a mezzal.
That's okay. Right. Now, mate, I'm going to show you my parks, right? Woo 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 woo. My park, my gods. So, Ronaldo's my best so far, right? Messi's my second best, and he's my third. Bale.
I'll tell you the players.
I don't like Bale.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Right, I'll say it back. Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, Higuain, Bale, Boateng, Lewandowski, De Gea, Godin. Can't see that guy's name with your thumbs anyway.
Godin.
Thiago Silva, Aguero, Ozil, Courtois, Neves, Hagi, Pogba, Lukaku, Sergio Ramos, Pepe, Higuain, Godin, Hazard, Royce, De Bruyne, Griezmann, Pires, Sanchez, Müller, Hummels, Cavani, Robin, Handanovic, Sanchez, Rodriguez, Okocha, Diego, Cazorla, Piqué, Ribery, Cesc Fabregas. I can't even see it.
This is how much space I have, right?
They're going so fast. I was doing good.
That you wouldn't be doing all this, wouldn't you?
Alright, fine. David, can I show
And
you
it's
something?
wait there, and it's still going.
I'm about to show you something.
No way, it's still going.
Who cares if it's still gone? It's gonna go for like 5 years. Come on, let's see.
How much facts involved? Aye, my club. What is this? What are you doing?
This is our team. We've got Cristiano Ronaldo, Griezmann, Bale, Neves, Turan, Mario Suarez, Messi, Godin, Pepe, Sergio Ramos, and Diego Lopez. Can you move it, man?
Sorry. Yeah, can I show you my Clash of Clans?
No. Let's see packs. Oh, why have we got on packs? What the hell?
What's this? What is this?
I don't actually know.
What is this?
I meant to go to this. And then go to
Speed past
best
11 minutes.
Yeah, what is this? It says you've not opened any packs yet. Yeah, I think we're gonna end the video now, guys.
Aye. So, right now, so, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like and subscribe. That's right, that's really all I want. So come on, like and subscribe. So all I want is 10 likes, because I just started my YouTube channel, right?
5 likes.
No, just give me 10. Yeah, 10. Yeah, so I'm going to end the video right
Bye bye.
there.